Miss India 2025, Amiksha Haldenkar. A languid contestant wins SG International Shining Star Style Goa. North Goa District Hospital performs first THR and TKR surgeries. Savio De Silva on seat sharing. Talks continue with Goa Forward Party. Julio Fernandes files ZP nomination. Congress gears up for local chunav. Burj fire fallout. MP Captain Viriato Fernandes calls suspensions eyewash after tragedy. 5-flight chaos continues. 9.5 lakh PNRS cancelled. 827 crore refunded. Fire at Kala Academy stage. Blaze erupts at Serendipity stage. Authorities on site controlling situation and ensuring safety of staff and attendees. Kalangot MLA demands action. Michael Lobo urges authorities to take proactive measures following the Arpora tragedy. Birch Fire owner expresses condolences. Saurabh Luthra, owner of Birch by Romeo Lane, expresses deep RGP breaks alliance with Congress and GFP. Manoj Parab confirms Rajneetik split, shaking up local politics.